Hello, Principal Ornelas. This is Ms. Garcia, and I'm making this presentation to persuade you and inform you as to why I need to make the purchases of the following equipment. First off, I should be allowed to make these purchases because I have done standards-based research for all of the items. So most of the items on my list are to aid in the fulfillment of standards. So starting with soccer balls, they help fulfill the standards 1.10, kick a ball to a moving partner using the inside of the foot. 1.11, kick a stationary ball from the ground into the air. 1.16, keep a foot dribbled ball away from a defensive player. And 1.19, stop a kicked ball by trapping it with the foot while standing still. Now, a bat would help in the fulfillment of 1.15, strike a gently tossed ball with a bat using a side orientation. It could also help with 1.18, which is manipulate an object using a long-handled implement. Tennis rackets help with fulfillment of 1.13, strike with a paddle or racket a lightweight object that has been tossed by a partner, and 1.14, serve a lightweight ball to a partner using the underhand movement pattern. Frisbees help in the fulfillment of standard 1.6, throw and catch an object with a partner while both partners are moving, and 1.8, throw a flying disc for distance using the backhand movement pattern. Lastly, jump ropes fulfill standard 1.5, jump a self-turn rope. There are also a few items on my list that I would like to purchase that do not help in the fulfillment of standards, but they would make PE either better or help organize the equipment. And an example of that are mesh jerseys, which would help students be able to distinguish which team they are and who's on their team when playing any team sports. And that would help with keep students from arguing and things like that. A megaphone would be lovely when we are out in the field and there's numerous other classes out at PE. I could easily say my instructions and all students would be able to hear me clearly and loudly. And I wouldn't have to repeat so many times and we could just move on with the activity. So it would be a big time saver. And lastly, cones, although they don't directly help in the fulfillment of standards, they could easily be used for barriers, for the borders of, like, say, soccer, or they could even be used as bases during baseball. They could be used to form stations or rotations for the students. They could be used to block off any areas where the students should not go. Cones have so many uses, so those would be a great purchase for PE. Our students deserve the best. So right now we do not have all of the necessary equipment to fulfill the standards with my new list, and if we were able to purchase it, we would have everything necessary to fulfill pretty much every standard. Our old equipment is not sufficient because it is worn out, broken, things are missing, so I feel that we do need all of this new equipment. And I personally will ensure that my students treat these items with respect. I will have policies in place that definitely ensure that everything is being taken care of. And I myself will keep everything organized and in good condition. As you can see here, this mesh bag, which I have added on my list, would be lovely to help keep everything organized in its place so nothing gets lost and everything stays in good condition. I hope you do give me this money and allow me to purchase these items that I have listed here, and we will have a great year of 4th grade PE. Thank you.